Hi, in front of me is Nokia 3.4 and today I would like to show you how you can connect this device through Bluetooth. Firstly, open Settings. Then choose Connected Devices and tap on Pair New Device. Over here, select one of the available ones, for example that one, and choose Pair. Then wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my device was successfully connected. If you wish to forget this connection, click at the gear icon next to the device, choose Forget and forget device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!